How to check grammar and spelling on Quillbot. So first go to Quillbot's website and then just click on paraphrasing tool here. Next is you can just select any of the mode here that you want to use. So let's say I want to check the grammar and spelling, right? So we need to opt for fluency. So just click on fluency. Although standard can do that as well, but it's better to be on fluency. So just type in your text here, and then you can just click on paraphrase. As you can see, my text has many wrong spellings and many wrong grammars here. So just click on paraphrase, and then it'll immediately fix it for me. As you can see. Now, if you want to use the standard, you can just do that as well. And there you go. Now, both of them has different uses, but it can check the grammar and spelling as well. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.